Hey guys, today I'll show you how to see a private Twitter account without following them. Welcome to another how to search tutorial video. Let's get started. First, we'll need to open our Twitter app, and then we'll need an account that's on private and their username. So let's go ahead and search for a private account. I have one here, and then click on search. After that, you'll see all of the public accounts that's currently interacting with the tweets of that private account. So basically, in this way, you will have a brief or a good idea or context on what that private account is tweeting. That's basically it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. And this is How to Search. See you on the next one. Peace.